Do you feel that subtle, persistent tension in the market right now? Or are you too busy chasing the headlines to notice that the rules of the semiconductor game have been rewritten under your feet? If you are over 30, you have lived through enough tech booms to know. But the early phase is always about pure, raw power, but the mature phase, the phase we are entering in March 2026, is about efficiency. Most people are still looking at the AI world as if it is 2023, thinking that NVIDIA is the only name that matters. But if you are still making your investment decisions based on 3-year-old logic, you are not an investor, you are a historian. In 2026, the question isn't just who makes the best chip. The question is who owns the factory of the future. Today, we are putting the two undisputed heavyweight champions into the ring, NVIDIA and Broadcom. This isn't just a comparison of ticker symbols. If you are tired of the hype-beast financial advice that treats your retirement fund like a lottery ticket, listen to me closely. At your age, you don't need gambles. You need structural advantages. You need to understand why NVIDIA is trying to become a system maker. Let's start with the undisputed king of the mountain, NVIDIA. As we stand here in March 2026, Jensen Huang has pulled off something impossible. NVIDIA announced that the Rubin platform is already in full-scale production. They are already shipping Rubin GPUs with 336 billion transistors. NVIDIA's dominance in 2026 isn't just about the GPU anymore. It's about the Vera CPU and the holistic rack-scale systems like the NVL72. The moat here isn't just silicon, it's CUDA in 2026. There are over 5 million developers globally locked into the NVIDIA ecosystem. However, being the king comes with a massive target on your back. NVIDIA's revenue in the latest quarter hit a staggering $68 billion. NVIDIA is the high-performance sports car of your portfolio. It is faster and more powerful, but it requires the road to be perfect. That brings us to the architect of the 2026 landscape, Broadcom. If NVIDIA is the sports car, Broadcom is the entire highway system. Broadcom excels in the world of ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits. In 2026, companies like Google and Meta want chips designed specifically for them. Every time an AI model gets larger, it needs more pipes to move data. Broadcom owns the pipes. For an investor over 30, this diversification is a beautiful thing. It means even if the AI hype cools, Broadcom has millions of customers. If you want to be part of a community that looks at the market with this structural honesty, you need to subscribe right now. When we look at the balance sheets in March 2026, the contrast is startling. NVIDIA is a cash fortress with over $60 billion. Broadcom, on the other hand, is a leveraged machine. They are still carrying about $65 billion in debt from the VMware acquisition. However, here is the irony of March 2026. NVIDIA is actually cheaper than Broadcom based on certain forward price-to-earnings ratios. If you are looking for the pure play on the AI industrial revolution, NVIDIA is the undisputed choice. They are a winner-take-most company. But if you value consistency and yield, Broadcom is the better fit. Broadcom has increased its dividend for 15 consecutive years. Broadcom doesn't care who wins the AI model war. They just care that the data is moving. It is a masterpiece of risk management. This is the battleground of the next 2 years. Efficiency versus flexibility. NVIDIA is the king of flexibility. Broadcom is the king of efficiency. You are over 30. You have worked too hard for your money to lose it by being stubborn. The 2026 market is a golden age. I have put together a step-by-step guide in the video right here on the screen. This is Evolutive, productive. Stay structural, evolve.